Hello. Today we'll learn the process of adding and subtracting polynomials. One thing you have to keep in mind when adding and subtracting polynomials is that you can only add and subtract like terms. And like terms are the terms which have the same variable with the same coefficient. So if you're not clear with this topic, please go and watch the video for identifying like terms. If these are the two polynomials which need to be added, what we have to do is we have to first open the bracket, which means it will be 3p square subtract 8p plus 1. And because outside the bracket there's a positive sign, so we need not worry. So we can just open the bracket, which means now this polynomial will be written as plus 9p square plus 4p subtract 1. Now we'll identify the like terms. So these two are the like terms because they have the variable p square, and these two are the like terms because they have the variable p, and these two are the like terms because they are just constants. So if we want to add them, it will be 3p square plus 9p square. We are just putting them together. Subtract 8p plus 4p and plus 1 subtract 1. Now these like terms can be simplified together. So 3p square plus 9p square gives us 12p square. Negative 8p plus 4p, it gives us negative 4p, and 1 minus 1 is a 0, so we don't need to write it. So this is what we get. Now in this question we have to subtract these two polynomials, so for which again we'll have to open the bracket. In the first polynomial we can just open it like this only, so we'll have 5xy squared plus 6x minus 7y. Now, before this polynomial, like outside the bracket, we have been given a negative sign. There's a subtraction sign. So once we open the bracket, inside whatever terms are there, they will all switch their sign. The signs will get flipped, which means 3xy square will become negative 3xy square. This subtract 6x will become add 6x, and plus 7y will become minus 7y. Now we again have to identify the like terms. So here the like terms are 5xy square and negative 3xy square. Another set of like terms are negative 7y and negative 7y. And the third set of like terms are 6x and 6x. So let us put them together. We have 5xy square subtract 3xy square plus 6x subtract 7y subtract 7y. Now when we add these two together, we get 5 minus 3, which is 2xy square. When we simplify these two together, 6 plus 6 gives us just the 12x. And these two together, negative 7 and negative 7 gives us negative 14y. So this is the simplified expression when we subtracted these two polynomials. Now let us add and subtract these given polynomials. So for that, first we'll open the bracket. The first bracket can be opened just like that, 4x minus 3, just because there's no sign mentioned outside it. The second polynomial, outside it there's a positive sign, so we can just open the bracket, which means it gives us plus x plus 8. But for this polynomial, because outside the bracket it's a subtraction sign, so these both will get their signs changed when we open the bracket. So this 2x right now is positive. It will become negative, and this negative 5 becomes plus 5. Now we'll have to first identify the like terms because we can add and subtract only the like terms. This 4x, x, and negative 2x. So these are the like terms because they all have the variable x, and negative 3, 8, and positive 5, they are another set of like terms as they are constants. They do not have a variable. So let us put our like terms together. We have 4x plus x, subtract 2x, and the three constants separately. So we have negative 3 plus 8 plus 5. Now we'll solve or simplify these like terms together. So 4x plus x, which means 1x. So 4x plus 1x gives us a 5x, and 5x subtract 2x, it gives us a 3x. Now here negative 3 plus 8 is a 5, and 5 plus 5 is a 10. So this is the simplified expression what we have got on adding and subtracting the given polynomials. I hope you understood and enjoyed the process. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.